bustling kitchen where the pots and pans all clink. We'll bake a batch of cookies and make some lemonade to drink. Little aprons tied up tight with flour on our face. Every mix and stir we make adds a little bit of grace. Let's cook up some fun in the kitchen all day long. With the cookies and the cupcakes, we'll sing a happy song. Measuring and mixing with a dash of love so sweet. We'll share our tasty treats with everyone we meet.